A plus B equal to BC, B plus C equal to CA. A, B, C are integers, and A, B, C are between -10 and 10. Okay, that's a start. We have A plus B, B plus C. So if we subtract here and here, we have A minus. If we subtract here, we can factor from C, we have B minus A. So left side we have something, right side we have something else. And right side we have C times B minus A, but left side will be A minus. If we can also add, or we can do something, because this term has B, this term has B, we can say A equal BC minus B equal to B times C minus. From here, we can say B plus C. If we replace A with B times C minus A, it will be C times B from here times C minus 1. And now we have an important thing. We have BC here, C minus 1. So we can find B and C in terms of each other. Let's see. We can find B in terms of C or B in terms of B. Let's check. We can say something. It's so much important. This term is multiple of B. This term is multiple of B. C has to be multiple of. It is so much important. When all terms are multiple of something except one, that term should be also multiple of B. The reason is what here? If we consider C equal to CB times C minus 1 minus B, take B to right answer. Then we can factor from B. It will be this. So C is B times something. For example, it is Q. C is BQ. So C is multiple of B. Now, to do the same thing, again we can say it is multiple of C, it is multiple of C. So B has to be multiple of C, exactly by the same way. If we write B, take C to right hand side, it will be CB, C minus 1 minus C. So it will be C times B times C minus 1 minus 1. So again, for example, you can say it is CK, so B is CK, B is multiple of what? Of C. Now C is multiple of B, B is multiple of C. We can say Bx equal to C, C is equal to B. One thing that we first pay attention, case 1. If one of them is 0, for example, suppose if B is 0, because when we want to say multiple of 0, is not a good thing to work with. If B is 0, and here B will be also 0. B0, C0, this 0. And first equation B0, BC0, A will be also 0. So one answer is 0, 0, 0 for A, B, C. If you consider the answers like A, B, C. Case 2. When two numbers are multiple of each other, C multiple of B, B multiple of C, they are equal or they are negative of each other because sign has no effect on divisibility. If B equal to C, now we replace B equal to C in this equation. Let me call this star. And 2B, I replace C with B equal to B squared times B minus. And we divide both sides by B. It is not 0. We know that if B or C is 0, the other one is also 0. A is 0. We've calculated that. B is equal to C, not 0. Then we divide by B, 2 equal to B times B minus 1. Now, the cases for B, if B is greater than 2, it will be 3 times 2. It will be large. If B is 2, so one answer is B equal to C equal to 2. and it works. If b equal to c equal to 2, this will be 2. 2, 4, 4 equal to 2a. A is also, and in first equation it will work. So another answer, 2, 2, 2. Now, here, if p is 1, it doesn't work, 0 doesn't work. Negative 1 times negative 1 minus 1, negative 2, 2 works. So b equal to c equal to negative 1. Now, if you check, left hand side will be negative 2, right hand side will be negative a. So a will be 2. And here, if we check 2, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, right side 1, left side 1. So another answer here, a will be 2, and our answer will be 2, negative 1, negative 1. So it was negative 1. If we consider negative 2 times negative 3 will be negative 6, positive 6. And then we can prove negative 2, negative 3, all these numbers will create right hand side such that will be greater than 2. Let's consider third case. B is equal to negative c, not 0. Again, if we replace in star, b plus c will be 0. Right hand side, c, b, c minus 1. We've checked the case that, for example, one of them be 0. Now, we know b, c are not 0. C minus 1 is 0. So c is 1. B is negative c, b is negative 1. Now, left side will be 0 because it is d1 b negative 1, 0, right side. d1, a should be 0. Now, let's check this one, 0, b negative 1, b negative 1, c1. Also, first equation will be satisfied. Okay. Now, let's do something. We conclude from here, a is 0. Another answer. 0, b is 1, b negative 1. So negative 1, c is 1. Now we found all answers. We can also erase this condition that they are between negative 10. For all integers, we found these. Let's check 4 answers. Okay. If you want to learn if you want to learn more, you can send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.